Hello and welcome to Developer Learning Zone, brought to you by me, your instructor Alex Headley. And in this tech help video, we're going to learn how to add a collaborator to an existing GitHub repo. So if you saw my previous video, I created a new repo and I showed you how to upload files to it. Currently it's private, but it could be public. And you might want to actually share it with a colleague to work on it with you. So if you go to settings, then you go to Collaborators and Teams, you'll see that there's some settings for different access, but the one we're going to look at is direct access. And I'm going to say add people, and I'm going to look for a particular colleague of mine. So for instance, on here, I'm going to let Rich work on this project, and then his username is Compute Learning Zone, and I'm wanting to give him access to the repo, my first repo. Now there's different roles you can do. So read is just letting them see the project. They can't make any changes to it, and they can kind of still raise issues and things like that. Triage, you might want to allow them to manage the issues and pull requests so that it can merge information into the repo. There's write access, which if you're wanting them to actually make changes, then this is the one you'd want. Maintains, a bit more involved than write, so just be careful with who you're giving maintain, and then obviously admin, you're given full access to the project. So I trust Rich, I'm quite happy to give him admin. Maintain is probably the normal one you'd give if you're wanting people to manage the project with you and add all that good stuff. So I've clicked add selection. It'll then add an item to the list. Now, Rich is already an admin of this organization, so it might look a bit different if this was just one of your kind of personal user repos. But you'd sometimes also get a thing saying that an email's been sent out to that collaborator, and then they'd have to accept that email to get access into this project. But this just allows you to then give other people access who maybe aren't in your organization, or obviously if it's a user repo, they don't have permissions by default to your information. So yeah, this is just a great way to build up different people with access to that repo. So now we can both collaborate and contribute to the code, and I'll show in a future video what that might look like when there's multiple contributors. But yeah, that's it for today. Give us a shout if there's any questions in the forum or the video below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.